My enduring love affair with the Myrtus Communis Compacta. There's a certain charm to container gardening in Tucson's unforgiving sun. You curate a personal oasis, a defiance against the relentless heat. That's where I met the Myrtus Communis Compacta, or dwarf myrtle. This little shrub stole my heart with its resilience, beauty, and surprising versatility. For the past few years, it's become a constant in my ever-evolving balcony garden. From a single pot, it's transformed into a fragrant companion, offering bursts of delicate white flowers and a touch of evergreen cheer. Now, I can't imagine my balcony without it. If you're looking for a low-maintenance shrub that thrives in Tucson's climate, the Myrtus Communis Compacta might just be your perfect match. Let me share my experience with this little gem and equip you to cultivate your own. The Myrtus Communis Compacta, also known as the dwarf myrtle, is a slow-growing evergreen shrub. It boasts small, glossy green leaves that release a delightful fragrance when crushed. During spring and summer, the shrub explodes with delicate white flowers, adding a touch of elegance to any balcony or patio. But the beauty doesn't stop there. These blooms mature into small, blue-black berries, offering a pop of color and attracting pollinators like butterflies and bees. The best part? All parts of the Myrtus Communis Compacta, leaves, flowers, and berries, are considered edible. How to care for my Myrtus Communis Compacta. This little shrub is a dream for busy gardeners like myself. Here's what I've learned about keeping it happy. Sun. The Myrtus Communis Compacta thrives in full sun but can tolerate partial shade. In Tucson's intense heat, however, I recommend providing some afternoon shade, especially during the hottest months. Watering. Water your Myrtus Communis Compacta regularly, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Avoid soggy conditions, as this can lead to root rot. Soil. Well-draining soil is key. A good quality potting mix specifically formulated for container plants works wonders. Fertilizing. During the growing season, spring and summer, a light application of a balanced fertilizer once a month will keep your Myrtus Communis Compacta thriving. Pruning. This shrub is naturally compact, but you can prune it lightly to maintain its shape or encourage bushier growth. How far apart should you plant Myrtus Communis Compacta? Spacing depends on your desired outcome. For a hedge, plant your Myrtus Communis Compacta 18 to 24 inches apart. This will allow them to grow together and form a dense, living barrier. For individual potted plants, a pot size of 5 to 7 gallons is sufficient for a single Myrtus Communis Compacta. How to propagate my Myrtus Communis Compacta? Sharing the joy of the Myrtus Communis Compacta is easy. Here's how I propagate mine. Stem cuttings. Take stem cuttings in the spring or summer. Choose healthy, non-flowering stems that are about 4 to 6 inches long. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional. Plant the cutting in a pot filled with moist potting mix and keep it warm and humid until roots develop. What to plant with my Myrtus Communis Compacta? The Myrtus Communis Compacta's compact size and versatility make it a great companion for various plants. Here are a few ideas. Lavender. The combination of fragrant white flowers from the Myrtus Communis Compacta with lavender's purple blooms creates a stunning visual and olfactory experience. Rosemary. Both these Mediterranean natives share similar watering needs and thrive in full sun. Their complementary foliage textures add depth to your container arrangement. Succulents. The Myrtus Communis Compacta's green foliage provides a lovely backdrop for the vibrant colors and unique shapes of succulents. Where to buy Myrtus Communis Compacta in Tucson? Finding your own Myrtus Communis Compacta in Tucson shouldn't be difficult. Local nurseries and garden centers often carry this popular shrub. Here are some places to check. Replace with actual names of nurseries after a quick Google search. Sunnyside Nursery, Rincon Valley Nursery, Green Acres Southwest. With a little TLC, your Myrtus Communis Compacta will become a cherished companion in your Tucson balcony oasis. So what are you waiting for? Start your own fragrant adventure today.